Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to create reflection of an image in Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to watch the video till the end. Open the image in Photoshop. Here, I've already removed the background of the image. Now select the image, and press Ctrl or Command J on your keyboard. This will make a new copy of the image layer. Now select the first layer of the image, and press Ctrl or Command T. Now right-click on the image, and select Flip Vertical. Now hold, and drag the flipped image to the place about which you want to create the reflection. Select both the layers, and click on Vertical Align Center, to make sure that they are perfectly aligned. Now select the flipped image layer, and click here to create a mask. Now, select the mask, and click on the gradient option. Make sure that the gradient is selected from white to black. To create a gradient, all we have to do is to hold and drag the mouse. This will create a gradient. Now to create a reflection, hold and drag from top to bottom. Adjust the position of gradient if needed. We have now created a reflection of the object. I'm adding some noise and blur to the reflection to make it look more real. We have finally created reflection of the image.